And we just went to Target and got some Lil Gleemerz. We got ours in the toy aisle at Target. You can also find these at target.com. And here is what they look like. There's different characters to choose from, so you can collect all of them. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so there's a purple one, and then there's a blue one. He's pretty cute. And then, oh, are you getting the pink one? The pink one's very nice. Look how cute she is with her little eyeballs. Which one are we gonna get, Phoenix? Are you gonna get the blue or the purple?
I like this guy.
You like that one? You're gonna do the purple or the pink, Lil? Okay, is that the one you're going with? You're going with the pink. And Phoenix, let me see yours. Oh, he's so cute in aqua teal. So we have Adore Bright
And Amberglow.
This one is kind of like a teal. And Lilybug, what color is yours?
Mine is pink, guys. Look.
Cute! Let's open these babies up.
Yeah, open them now.
Oh, look at me. I bought it.
Oh, he's so cute.
Open mine.
Look at him. Does his tail light up? Oh, look, it lights up.
Guys, do you know what? I found it at Target. I found out you can do stuff with him. There's this, this, and this.
Did he just toot? How do you do it?
You just push his head.
What did he just say? Oh, you gotta flick it on.
Yeah, I gotta flick it on.
There we go. Oh, it's lighting up.
Hey, you.
Look at all that.
He is so cute.
He's so cute.
Yes or no question.
Oh my gosh. They say so many things.
Let's have a light party. My answer is absolutely.
How adorable. What do you think? Do you think kids would love this for Christmas? This would be the perfect.
This would be amazing, guys.
Would you guys add this to your wish list?
I would.
You would? Would you, Lily? Yeah? Okay, let's get a little close up. Look how cute his little tail is lighting up. Like a little dance party over here. They are just these little friends that have these long fluffy tails and they light up. How do you light it up? Can you show us?
Okay.
Whoa, Lily's is going.
So here's how you turn it on, guys. Boop.
There he goes. Oh, look at all the colors in his tail. Look at them light up.
This is where you get to change his light.
Oh, is that where it's a game? It's red, orange, green, yellow, blue,
pink, purple.
And there's over 100 reactions. They say a ton of different things, and it's super duper fun.
My tail to catch my kiss.
Okay, ready? Don't catch your...
Press my tail to stop.
And they toot. Oh, oh.
No, I don't
She's had a lot of beans. Oh, again.
Mine.
Oh, she kissed you.
This is one of the best little guys, especially for road trips.
Oh.
Yes.
And do you think that this would be something that if you didn't have, you would add this to your Christmas wish list to Santa?
Yes, I would.
Yeah, would you?
Yes, I would. If I didn't have one of these, then I would get one, and I would want one so bad that is rainbow.
That is rainbow. So you would say, Santa, please add this to my list.
Santa, please add this to my list.
Would you recommend this to your friends?
Yes, I would.
Do you think that you could do a lot of fun stuff with it? Like, will it keep you busy for a long time?
Yes.
You know what? Like, when you have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, you could bring your little friend with you and, like, light up her tail. And then she'll keep you company when you're going potty.
What if she had to go to the bathroom when she
Well, she sure toots a lot, doesn't she? They should call her Toots a Lot. Did we get cheat codes? So it says, press my nose, and you can do hangout mode, light party mode, or game mode. Ooh, pet her head front to back. She purrs. Here, show everyone.
Wait, front?
So pet her head front to back, and she purrs.
Hey, you. Let me see.
Let's hang out and play.
Oh, she likes it. pet my head back to front.
Put my head back.
She farted.
She toots. When you pet her head the wrong way, she toots. Now it says rub my head back and forth.
She's not like this.
She doesn't like that. Now it says tap my forehead. Tap her right in the forehead. Does she do anything? Ooh.
She got this.
Okay, now it says pinch tail once, double pinch or hold. Pinch where you feel the button inside the tip for gameplay control and more interaction. Press and hold forehead and back of head together. Like that? Oh, ask her a question. Say, do you like Christmas?
Yes.
No, you have to ask her that. In her voice, in her thing.
Do you like Christmas?
She said absolutely. Press and hold forehead. Oh.
Do you like Halloween?
Who's there? Unicorn who?
She doesn't like Halloween.
You don't like Halloween?
Okay, now you have to press and hold back of head.
Who's there?
Wait, mine's not doing it.
Can you pet my head? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Unicorn.
Unicorn who?
Unicorny. But I like you.
Ah, that's cute.
Oh.
She doesn't like that.
Let's have a light party.
Oh, you're on light party mode right now. If you press the nose again, it says game mode. So game 1 is catch the kiss, but dodge the fart.
But don't catch my tail.
Don't catch my...
Press my tail to start.
Ooh.
Thank you. Thank you.
You catch the kiss.
No farts.
Okay, now the second game is tail tennis, and the third game is stop on the spot. So this takes 3 AAA batteries, which are included when you purchase it. And then right here you have your little cheat sheet so that it tells you exactly how to use and play your little secret games with your Lil Gleemerz. Man, you guys are going to be kept busy with these, right?
Yes.
She tooted! Okay guys, so there are the Lil Gleemerz. The kids, I think they're pretty excited about them. Are you? Do you love her?
Yes.
They're so cute.
Yes.
They're very sweet. Are they going to be your BFFs? Yeah?
Sweet. Sleep time, little one.
Oh, so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed. We definitely give this a thumbs up, right? Yeah. You guys should add it to your Christmas wish list. Or if you're wondering what to get your kids, this is definitely a super cute one.
If you get the blue one, then it's kind of boyish.
Yeah.
They're friends to everybody.
Totes. Friends. I could have one.
Yeah,
Am
you
I
could
too
have
old?
one. No. No, it's too old for these little guys.
Oh, they're so sweet and fluffy.
Yeah.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We think these are great. These are so cute. Such cute little gifts, and I feel like these will be something that they can use over and over again and take with them places and keep them in your bed.
And maybe take it to your aunts or uncles, grandpas or grandmas.
Yeah, they're not too big so that you can take them anywhere.
Yeah, to your
They can be
friend's
your little
house.
BFFs.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mattel, for sponsoring this video.